This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, November 20th. Stock Index Futures putting in a rather negative day again today. So it does look like the bears may have their way, at least in the short run, as they continue to focus on the ongoing political problems in the Eurozone, a slowing global economy, and a Fed that is still likely to raise interest rates in December. So in the short term, likely to be a little more trouble, but the long-term outlook, I believe, is still supportive as interest rates, even with the rate hikes from the Fed, remain supportive. Right now, the sentiment is overwhelmingly bearish. That may prevail in the short run, but I think not in the long term. Moving over to the currencies, flight to quality buying coming into the dollar, the Swiss franc, and the yen, the usual suspects in a flight to quality move. Also, the euro currency coming off of a 2-week high as the political problems in the Eurozone remain. Moving over to the interest rate futures markets, seeing some flight to quality buying there, especially at the long end of the curve, the 30-year bonds, in light of weaker equity markets. However, it does appear that this market is likely to work higher for a variety of reasons. The main thing is the global economy seems to be slowing, probably more so elsewhere in the world than in the U.S., but nevertheless, there is a slowing tendency or indication in the economy. So that remains supportive to the long-term end of the Treasury curve. Also, it appears that the Fed may be slow to raise interest rates next year. My belief is only 2 more rate hikes in 2019. The consensus view is at 3 or 4. So I would buy breaks, especially in the 30-year bonds. In fact, I would focus on the credit markets, avoid the stock indices for now with that uncertainty. But I think there's some good trading opportunities to be trading the treasuries from the long side at this time. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.